Hello everybody, I wanted to talk to you about Gary Sugal's 3D printed mouthpieces. I have an MB2 here. I've got a KW2. Or actually, is this a KW3? No, that's a KW2. I've got a, what he's calling a Yeti. And I have this is another MB2. This is a 7-star. This one is an 8-star. And all of these play great. The benefit of the 3D printing is you can get them for less money, but the quality is still there. The cut is the same, and these play really, really great. Of course, you guys probably know that Gary made me a custom mouthpiece, a CNC mouthpiece, and this is a great mouthpiece. I will tell you that these play as good as this mouthpiece, and much less expensive. So let me play a little bit for you so you can hear what it sounds like.